Hey guys, it is Jen, and today I wanted to share with you a Nordstrom order I did recently. They had a sale that just happened in preparation of spring and summer, and I am so very excited about these things. I just want summer to just be here and be all like warm and bronzy and wear all the short things and not be pregnant anymore, please. Dear Lord. It's going to happen. I did want to give a huge shout out and thank you to Nordstrom for sponsoring this video, and let's go ahead and hop right in. I wanted to start off with this product from Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Supermodel body. It says visibly slimmer, shimmer, shape, hydrate, and glow. I believe it's sort of like a lotion that has a little bit of like bronzy tintedness, so you can use this all over your body. I'm imagining it like to look especially beautiful on the arms and collarbone and legs. Not necessarily look tanned, but just look a little bit more glowy and healthy. So it kind of says cheat your way to a supermodel body in a tube. And it also has a couple of products that are going to make the skin look a little more firmed up and vibrant. So I guess you just twist this on and off, and has a little metal roller at the end. I'm super happy that it's not like a really dark brown kind of bronze, because I was wanting more of like an overall glowy, healthy kind of effect, and that's exactly what this looks like. It doesn't really have any strong scent or anything like that, and it's just kind of like a really fine satin, not quite pearly effect. So it's definitely not like disco ball glistening. It makes my skin feel really soft and smooth and healthy. So next I decided to pick up a sunscreen. This is from Kula, which I've heard so many good things about. This is a spray body SPF 30 sunscreen spray, and I decided to get the scent Tropical Coconut. I've been really into coconut scented and flavored kind of things right now. It just seemed really fresh, plus it's an organic sunscreen, so I think that's really awesome. I'll try spritzing this a little bit so I can see what it smells like. Oh, it smells like pina colada by the pool. So you do get that really nostalgic sunscreen whiff, you know, like when you're a child and you're like at the beach. But it's also, the coconut isn't like super heavy. And you guys know how super important it is to wear sunscreen every time you're going outside, every time you're going out in the sun. Especially with like me having Aria, I want to make sure she's always really well protected. So I wanted to have a sunscreen I could just keep with me all the time, and so I got this 3-ounce size. It's a little bit smaller, but like I said, everyone I've talked to that has used the Coola sunscreens just say they're super amazing, so can't wait to keep this with me. Next, this is a product that I actually have had before, so I'm just restocking on it. This is from the Drybar. This is their Mai Tai Spritzer Sea Salt Spray, and especially with my new shorter haircut, I love using sea salt sprays just to give a little bit extra texture. If you haven't used a sea salt spray before, it's sort of recreating that effect when you go into the ocean. I don't know how it is for you guys, but I do have a little bit of natural wave and curl to my hair, so every time I go into the ocean and go swimming or something, if my hair air dries, it's just like the most perfect waves ever. So I really want to recreate that same effect at home, but it's nearly impossible. But the closest thing I can get to having those really nice tussled waves without using like any heat or a curler is a sea salt spray, because you can also use it after you curl it. I like to just do that to give it a little bit extra. I just sprayed my face. So basically I just spray it all over like that, and then I'll just kind of like scrunch the ends and twist a little bit. So it just gives your hair a little bit something extra to grab onto, and then it doesn't look so perfect. It just looks a little bit more natural and tussled and textured. I can't even see what I'm doing right now, but I'm assuming it looks a little bit more beachy and natural. Definitely makes that whole summertime beach hair super easy. And I'm also opinionated about how products smell, and I like the scent of this this one. If you haven't tried it out, I would definitely recommend it. Next, I wanted to show you this top that I got. I'm still all about the chambray, especially in the summertime when things are just a little bit more breezy. I thought this was so cute. It has little like ruffled sleeves. This is from BP, and it has a crisscross back with a couple little buttons. What I love about these kinds of shirts is that you can just throw on like a bralette or something really casual underneath. I'm not a fan of things that are super fitted, especially right after I'm gonna have a baby soon. So I wanted something that was a little bit more baggy, but I love the cropped silhouette because I could always wear this with a pair of high-waisted jeans or like mom jeans to cover up the tummy pudge, but then this is still kind of loose on top. And I like these raw unfinished edges. I thought that was super adorable, and it was on sale. And to sort of go with that whole carefree vibe, I thought this was so adorable. It's a hairband, but it's a little beaded bow. Especially now that my hair is a little bit shorter, I was imagining this would go so cute if I did like a little half updo and then had this hanging down in the back. It kind of reminds me of like being a little girl, but I love bows and those sort of little girly touches. I've always been a big fan of like bows that are attached to hair ties. It's just a little bit different, you know? It's like accessorizing without jewelry, but that was so cute. You know I can't order from Nordstrom without indulging in a couple pairs of shoes, because I love me some shoes. I found these sandals from Stuart, Weitzman. These right here, I just thought they were really adorable, very casual. I like that it's all leather. And then I also liked this little detail at the heel. It looks like a bunch of little studs, but it's almost like a rose motif, but it gives it a little bit more edginess and also makes it look fancy and expensive. So it's kind of a style that I could wear both super casually, but also a little bit more dressy. And it's just a really flat slide-on kind of sandal. So if I'm carrying around a new little bitty baby, they'll still be really comfortable. I just wanted more options to be able to quickly slip in and out of. This whole style I feel like is so popular for the summer. The slide sandals that kind of cover your foot a little bit more. And then finally, I feel like these might be the best deal out of everything that I got. These are some little booties that I think would be perfect for the summertime. And I believe these were on a really good sale too. I think they're only like 60 bucks. And the ones I got are in a size 4, so I think they come in a wide range of sizes. These are super comfortable. They have a very low heel if you just want to give your feet a little bit of a break and wear these really casually. What I really loved about this style is the little cutouts on the sides. I would wear these without any socks. Perfect for wearing all through the summer, and I just think this style looks so adorable when you wear them with some denim jean shorts and like a breezy white top or something. They're really versatile, and when I try them on, they're also super comfortable. I could wear these without having to break them in. I also wanted to mention, I probably should have talked about this with the beauty stuff. I got a gift with purchase bag because I ordered a bunch of, you know, beauty things especially, and this thing is so crazy impressive. I don't know the last time I've had such an impressive gift with purchase of like extras that it came with, but I wanted to just really quickly show you some of the best things in here. There are about a bazillion like perfume and skincare kind of samples, some of which are my very favorite things that I use all the time, like the Kogendo cleansing spa water, Valentino perfume, Prada perfume, lots of perfumes. There's a Becca foundation sample in the back. This thing is chock full, but then they also had a bunch of little minis that I thought were super impressive. This one is a fresh rose face mask mini, living proof nourishing styling cream, which I love all of Living Proof's hair care. If you haven't tried this brand, they're incredible. There's an Origins high potency nitamins. I love these little minis for traveling, and this is just a really great evening cream. And then like maybe one of my favorite things is this mini Ico I Do liquid eyeliner, which if you guys have followed me for a while, you will know I have literally been using this eyeliner for years. I love this eyeliner. This is is one of my favorite liquid eyeliners of all time. It has a felt tip. The thing that I feel like makes this brand of eyeliner different than other ones like Kat Von D Tattoo eyeliner or Stila Stay the Day, this is like the blackest liquid eyeliner I think I've ever used. There's no shine to it. It's super, super rich, and it's really good about being better about not smudging a lot if you're monolidded or have like oilier eyelids. I love the pigmentation of it. It's waterproof, not just water resistant, and I've never seen it in a mini, so I'm so excited about this because if I'm going to be traveling, I just love everything downsized so that it weighs less. I think this made the entire gift with purchase bag worth it for me. I guess that is about it for my entire Nordstrom haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching, and if you did, I would love if you would hit that thumbs up button. Feel free to also subscribe if you aren't already. Hit the notification bell if you are subscribed and you want to see my new videos coming out, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!